Namaste and good afternoon to you all. All my dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are very fine. Okay, today it's me Meera Basnet as your social study teacher in front of you. Yes, today from grade 3 we are going to know something about the unit 1 of social studies book. Alright? Okay. Before entering in the lesson or the topic, let me talk to you. Are you ready? Okay. So, do you know your birthdays? Do you know or not? Yes, everyone know your birthdays. Do you used to celebrate it? Yes, why not, isn't it? And even I also know my birthday. Even I also used to celebrate very happily with my family, and obviously you also used to do it, right? Okay. And from today's lesson, we are going in the same similar topic. Okay. But I have a question for you. Do you know the birthdays of all your family members? Like your father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, your sister, your brother. Do you know? Okay, you do not remember birthday of all the people, all of your family members, right? Okay, from today's class, I will help you to memorize or remember the birthdays of your family members and even friends too. Okay, so let's move towards the topic. Yes? Okay, here in the topic you can see me and my family. Yes, so me means I. Yeah, every individual is me. You are also me, you are also me. Everyone is me, right? Then what's about family? Okay, family is the people who are living in the same house and they are sharing same kitchen. Yes? Do you understand me? Okay. Those members who are living with you in same house, who are sharing your kitchen, isn't it? Such members are called your families. Okay? And let me tell you, everyone also have family. Every one of you have your own family, right? But there can be someone might have big family with many people, isn't it? And someone might have small family with few people like father, mother, sister, brother or some like. Okay, so 4 or 5 people also can be there in a family. So that can be a small family also. Yes? Okay. And do you think family is important for us? Yes, obviously. We cannot live alone, right? To live happily, we need our family. Okay. Now, here I have a chart for you. And next one is diagram is also there, which make you understand about your family, about the members of your family. Okay, so for your easiness, I have a chart here. Here a boy, he has written something about his family members. Okay, about himself and even about his family members too. Yes, so can you see the picture here at the middle? Okay, see it. Okay, so here some people are there. Yes, 2 rows are there. Back side, bigger elder people are standing, and front some children are standing there. Right? Okay, this is a picture of a big family, large family. Yes, so here who might be here in the family? Let's know it. Okay, so here 2 people are here at the middle. Yes, who might be they? Who might be they? Okay, what a boy has written here. Okay, these are my grandparents. These two are grandparents. Do you understand grandparents? Do you have your grandparents? Okay, who are grandparents? Can you tell me? Yes, grandparents are father and mother of your father and mother, of your parents, right? For them we call as a grandparents. Okay, so here also in this family, two elderly people are standing there. They are grandparents. Grandfather, this one, and grandmother, this one. Yes, other, my grandfather is my grandfather is 65 and grandmother is 63 years old. Okay, how old are they? Grandfather is 65 and grandmother is 63 years old. Yes, very good. Yeah. Okay, after that, next to this grandfather and grandmother, who are there? Okay, here also two people are standing, right? Okay, they are my father and mother. Okay, these two are father and mother. Yeah. My father is 45 and mother is 41 years old. How old are they? Father is 45 and mother 41. Very good. Yeah. Father is 45 years and mother is 41 years. Okay. Next one. My father is an officer and mother is a housewife. Okay. In this family, father is an officer and mother is a housewife. Right? Okay. Do you remember? Do you know what do your parents do? What work they do? Okay. You know it. Yeah. Now, let's move towards next. Here also two people are standing. Yeah. See, who are they? Can you guess? Can you guess? Okay, very good then. Listen, they are my uncle and aunt. Do you have uncle and aunt? Yes, some of you might have uncle and aunt, right? So here, listen, my uncle is 40 and aunt is 38 years old. Okay, how old are they? Uncle is 40 years and aunt is 38 years. Yeah. And my uncle is a businessman and aunt is a teacher. See. Okay. In this family, uncle is a businessman. Yeah. And aunt is a teacher. Okay. Now, let's move to the front row here. Some children you can see. They are standing in a line. Yeah. So here, it's me and my sister. Who may be? Which may be? Okay, from this side we can go. Okay, this is the boy and this is his sister. Yes. Okay, I am 10 years old. This boy is 10 years old and my sister is 6 years old. Okay, how old are they? Okay, the boy is 10 years and sister is just 6 years, right? Okay then, other two children also we can see here in the picture, yeah? Who might be they? Who might be they? Are they guest? No, they are not the guest. They are also the family member of this family. Okay, so who are they? Let's see here, okay? Are you seeing here? Okay, very good then. They are my cousins. Cousins, do you understand? Do you have any cousins? Okay, you don't understand cousin. Okay, let me tell you, okay? Cousin means son or daughter of your uncle and aunt. Okay, if you have uncle and aunt, obviously you might have cousin. Yes, if you have children of your uncle and aunt, they are called as cousins. So, these two boy and this one girl, they are cousin. Yes, cousin of this boy. Okay, one is of 9 years and next is of 7 years. Okay, this cousin, how old are they? One is of 9 years and next one is of 7 years. Very good, very good. Okay. I love them so much. These children love each other very much. Yes, and here you can see my family is a happy family. See, this boy has so many members in his family. Yeah, he has grandparents also, uncle and aunt also, and even 2 cousins also he has, isn't it? So they are very happy. They used to love each other, they used to help each other, so that his family is a very happy family. I hope all of you have also very happy family. Do you love each other in your family? Yes. Do you help your family members? Yes, very good. Okay, so that your family is also a happy family then. Okay, now you know about one family here. Okay, so now here in the chart you have listened or seen about the different age of your family members, right? Of the boys family members, which we are discussing here, which we are talking here, right? So now to remember the ages of this all the member of this family, it might be difficult for you, isn't it? So to make you easy, I have something here down. Can you see? Okay, one diagram is there. What is it? It is family age diagram, right? Okay, listen here. So there is a diagram, one side numbers are written, right? At the bottom some of the family members are written here, isn't it? And some color are also here. So what might be this? Do you have any idea? Okay, very good. To make you easy to remember about the age of your family members, this chart can help. Okay, shall I tell you how? Okay, listen here. I have written different ages here. These all are from this family. For example, okay, to make you understand. Yeah, so here let's see. At first this red color is drawn here. Yeah, this is a diagram here. This is, who is this? Can you see here at the bottom? Who is this? Okay, this is of grandfather. Okay, from here we have already known how old is the grandfather. How old? Have you forgotten? Okay, he is 65 years old, isn't it? So you can see here it is up to here, it is 65 written here, right? So he is 65 years old. Grandfather is 65 years old, right? Now let's move towards grandmother here then. How old is she? How old is she? Okay, she is, we can know from here very easily. She is 63 years old, right? Okay, after grandfather and grandmother, we have father and mother in the family, right? So here about the age of father and mother, very easily we can know from here, right? Here at the down bottom there is father written, yeah? So what is his age? How old is he? Okay, we can see here up. He is 45. Yes, he is 45 years old, isn't it? Next one is mother there. Can you guess? Or do you remember the age of mother in this family? Okay, if not, see here. Mother is here and she is 41. Here we have known, yeah? Sorry, here we have known. So, she is 41 years old. Yeah? Next one, after father and mother, who are there? Okay, uncle and aunt, yeah? So, to know the age of uncle and aunt, where can we see? Do we have to read here again? No, we can just know from here. Yeah? Where is uncle? Here is uncle, yeah? So, what might be his age? What might be? 40 years. Very good, very good. I have written here 40, and even from here also we can know this line is straight to this 40, which I have given here for indication. Yeah. So he is 40 years old. Right? Okay, after that, aunt is also there in the family. Yeah. So aunt is of 38 years old. Now easily you can know, isn't it? Now let's move towards the children who are standing in front row there in the family picture. Yes. So here I is written here, the boy about whose family we have been discussing here, whose family we have been reading here, right? So I is the boy. How old is he? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, he is 10 years old, like you. I hope many of you are also of the same age. Someone might be 8, someone 9, and someone 10, right? Okay, then next one, cousin is written here. 2 cousins he has, yeah? So one is of 9 years old. Next one is 7 years old. Okay, and in this family there is a small girl. Who is she? Who is she? Is she the grandmother of the family? No, not, isn't it? Okay, she is a small sister of the boy. Yeah? Okay, how old is she? She is just 6 years old. Okay, so let me tell you again, this is a diagram which makes you easy to know about the age of all the family members. If you try to make it and put somewhere on the wall, you can easily remember them or know the age of your family members. From this diagram, we can know next thing also. Like, any guess? Okay, then let me tell you, okay. Looking this family age diagram, we can know who is the eldest person of the family and who is the youngest person. Okay. Not only that, we can also find out the age difference among them. Okay. Shall I show you? Listen here. Just grandfather is of 65 years, right? And if you want to find age difference between 2 people, it is very easy. Okay, we can see the diagram here and we can find very easily. Okay, so here I have written the age of grandfather, right? Now you want to find out difference between the age of your grandfather and father, your father, or here whom we are discussing. Yes, so here what is the age of father then? See here, the age of father is 45. So, minus 45. What comes? What will be here? Equals to how much? 15? Am I right? Okay, you are right, I am wrong. Yeah. What comes here? Here comes 20. Right? Now, from this, we can know the difference on age of grandfather and father. So here we can know, we can say now, grandfather is 20 years older than your father. Okay, or than the boy's father. In the same way, you can find out of your family members also. Okay, now let's move another thing also. Let's move another one also. Okay, so you want to find difference between whom? Uncle and the boy, whom? Next one also we can do. Let's find about the age difference of mother and aunt. Okay, mother and aunt. Then what is the age of mother here? Mother is 41 and aunt is just 38. Right? So, what will be here? What will be here? How many years? 5 years? No, just 3 years. Right? Okay, from this diagram, you can know about the age differences of family members too, isn't it? And another thing, who is the eldest and who is the youngest one, that also you can know easily from here. Okay, now next one, what I want to show you is a table, very simple table. Okay, okay, now let's draw a table here. Okay, okay, one simple table is here. Okay, name, relation, yes, year, month and date. Okay, this like table you can do. You can ask the date of birth your all family members and you can fill up the table. Like here you can write your father's name. What is your father's name? You know it, isn't it? So you can write here name. Relation, father. He is your father, isn't it? Year, in which year he has born, yeah? Month, which month? Date, what is the date, yeah? Of each and every family members you can ask and you can write here, fill up here one by one, giving numbers. How many family members are there in your family? You can write off all of them. And you can prepare in a chart paper and you can just paste on the wall of your house so that it will be easy for you to remember their date of birth. Yes, and if you remember the date of birth of all family members, what happens? Okay, it will be easy for you whenever your family members have got birthdays, that time you can be first people to wish them. Yes, suppose if your grandfather has birthday, okay, then what happen? If you know about the date of your grandfather, isn't it, birthday of your grandfather, then early in the morning before other people you can go to him and you can wish him happy birthday to your grandfather. Then how much happy he will be? Can you think? He will be very happy with you. Yes, in the same way you can do of other members too in your family, right? So this is your work. Can you do it? Okay, make a similar table. Yes, here you can write some topic like birth date of my family. You can write in this way. Yes, and make the similar table and ask. If you don't know, you can ask. If you know, you can write yourself also. Yes, whom you don't know, you can go and ask to your family members. If you know, you can write yourself. You can ask them and write it here. Fill up the table, paste on your room, and whenever you see, you will remember the birthdays of your family member. And you can go and wish them and they will be very happy with you, right? So this work I have given you as your homework. Will you do it or not? Yes, very good. Okay, it is very easy. You can do it, right? So my dear students, in today's class we have known about a family. Yes, about the age diagram of family. Yes, and even we have learned to make a table of the age of our family members. Okay, so it is very important for you. After all, family is the main thing. Without family, we cannot live. So always in your family, you have to be very much helpful. Okay, you have to try to keep your family members always happy. Okay, with this, I would like to say goodbye to you all. And obviously, we will meet in our next class. Okay, namaste and have a good time ahead.